In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Behance project. Start on a desktop browser, go to Behance and log into it and navigate to your profile. Locate the project you want to update. Hover your cursor over the project cover until you see a blue pencil icon appear. Click that pencil to enter the editor. This is your workspace for everything you are about to change. Inside the editor, look for the Add Media panel. This is where you can upload more images, text, videos, or files to expand or refine your presentation. As you add content, think about rhythm and readability. Short text sections paired with strong visuals work well. If you are adding videos, include a brief caption to explain context. For files, use clear file names so viewers know exactly what they're downloading. To modify media that's already in your project, hover over any image, text block, or video. You'll see a pencil icon appear right on that item. Click it to access options to reorder, replace, delete, or even download that asset. Replacing is great when you've updated an image but want to keep its placement. Deleting helps trim clutter. If you plan to replace an image, keeping similar dimensions preserves your layout and prevents unexpected shifts. Next, update your project details through the Settings button. Here you can refine the title, description, and tags. Choose a clear descriptive title that reflects the core idea of the project. Use the description to highlight your role, the tools or methods you used, and the outcome or impact. Add relevant tags so your work is easier to discover. Aim for terms that match your discipline, style, and tools. When you are ready to fine-tune the flow, reorder your content directly in the editor. By dragging and dropping images or text, use this to create a narrative. Start with a strong opener, group related visuals together, and place captions near the corresponding media. Small ordering changes can make the story behind your work much easier to follow. Finally, make your updates live by clicking Update Project. This publishes your changes so they appear on your public project page. If you need to refine anything later, you can always return to the editor and repeat these steps. Then click Update Project again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.